In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Onedrive Sign In Error 0x8004deef in Windows 11 and 10. Dealing with sign-in errors can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to access your important files. But don't worry, we're here to walk you through the steps to resolve this issue smoothly and get OneDrive up and running again. Let's dive right in by starting with something simple: checking your internet connection. OneDrive requires a stable internet connection to sign in. Make sure you're connected to a reliable network. If you're on Wi-Fi, try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. This often resolves connectivity issues that can lead to sign-in problems. Next, let's ensure your system date and time are set correctly. Incorrect settings can lead to authentication errors, so it's essential to check them. Navigate to your system settings and ensure that your date, time, and time zone are accurate. If they're incorrect, correct them and then try signing into OneDrive again. You'd be surprised at how often this can cause issues with apps that require up-to-date connection checks. Once that's all set, let's move on to restarting OneDrive. Sometimes, simply restarting the application can clear out minor issues. Go to the notification area on your taskbar, look for the cloud icon, right-click on it, and hit Close OneDrive. After a few moments, reboot the application from your Start menu or by simply searching for OneDrive in the taskbar search box. This refresh can often resolve sign-in errors. If OneDrive still doesn't sign in, it's time to consider resetting OneDrive. Remember, though, while resetting, none of your stored files online will be affected. Just make sure any files you've not synced yet are backed up. To do this, use the Run dialog by pressing the Windows key R, type into the box the command localapdata Microsoft OneDrive OneDrive.exe reset, and hit Enter. After a few minutes, OneDrive should restart itself and attempt to sign in automatically. If it doesn't, manually start it again. Now, if you're still facing trouble, let's ensure your Windows files are in order. Run the Windows File Checker tool to repair any system file corruption that might be blocking OneDrive. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type sfc scan now. Let the tool run and follow any recommended steps after it completes. Lastly, ensure you have the latest Windows updates. Sometimes, sign-in errors can happen because you're missing important system updates. Head to the Windows Update section within Settings and download any available updates. Once your system is fully updated, go ahead and give that OneDrive sign-in another try. With these steps, you should be well equipped to solve the OneDrive sign-in error 0x8004deef. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Have a great day.